Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This thing sounds way smoother. What up, what it is, what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Srtfied and I'm back with another banger for you guys. Y'all already know what's up. If you ain't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button ASAP. Don't cost me nothing, don't cost you nothing. Just click that red button, y'all know what's up. But today, I finally got my Carven X pipe in. I had this thing on order since January, actually. No, I take that back, February. It was February that I ordered it. And today is March 9th, I believe. Anyways, it's almost the middle of March and this thing finally came in. It was on back order when I initially ordered it. So they kind of gave me a heads up saying that it was gonna take 2 to 5 weeks before they'll actually ship it out. So I finally got this thing in. So I'm gonna head up to the exhaust shop today and get this thing installed. So I'm gonna try to get you guys some sound clips of before and after, and I'm gonna actually label it on the videos to where you guys know what you're hearing. But I don't know if it's gonna make any sound difference. I just know that this X pipe is actually, I guess the welds are bigger. I don't know. It was a part that, based on theory, it's supposed to increase performance and it's supposed to smoothen out the exhaust note on the Chargers. Because I know once you get the mid mufflers deleted under wide open throttle, the Chargers can have a little bit of rasp under wide open throttle. So it's supposed to smoothen all that out and just give it a deeper overall exhaust note. But we'll see, you know what I'm saying? It's one of those parts that I just wanted to get just to see if it actually works. I mean, it wasn't expensive, so why not, you know? So there it is right there. Actually, you guys can probably see that collector in there right there. It's actually, I think 7.5 or 8 inches long. You can actually see it right here where they welded it together. But this is the 3-inch piping. They do offer 2.5 on their website, but our factory exhaust piping is 2.75 inches. So because when I got my mid mufflers deleted, I ended up going with the 3-inch piping for the straight pipe that they put on. So I ended up getting the 3-inch for this as well. So we're gonna get this thing installed and get you guys some sound clips. All right, so I'm up here at the Rainbow Muffler Man, not Rainbow Muffler, but yeah, Rainbow Muffler Man, whatever, y'all already know what's up. But I tried to get it in to my guy at Muffler City, but they were super busy. So I went ahead and brought it up here. They were able to get me in right away. So we can get this thing installed, man. Got some things out here. We got a lot of cars posted up here. I'm telling y'all, man. Actually, big shout out to my boy Pablo Savage. He actually recommended me this spot right here, and he told me anytime he come up here, he actually get in right away. And he wasn't joking, because like when I pulled up, just looking at what's on the lot right now, I was like, man, they ain't gonna be able to get me in right away. And I was actually about to leave, and he ended up coming out. He's like, hey, where you going? I was like, man, I'm just trying to get X pipe and stuff, but I see y'all busy. So I ended up telling him what I needed done. He was like, man, I can get you in right away. So go ahead and pull up to the bay and I'll get you done. But y'all see it. So we got this thing already on the lift. I'll show you guys the factory X pipe right there. That's where this thing is gonna, I'm shaking like crazy. That's where this thing is gonna be getting installed at. quick, man.
This is 91.
I'm 91?
Yeah.
Oh, that's dope. Lord OG, I see you. What kind of exhaust you can put on there?
Whatever, I don't know. Just a regular one right now for the time being.
Okay, you just trying to make it a little bit louder?
No, whatever it comes up.
Oh, okay.
The system on here was the muffler. It was all broken and cracked up.
Ah. I see they put the new pipe on there already,
Yeah,
on the front.
yeah, 350 in there, so.
You getting a new muffler as well, or you just leaving that muffler on there? Okay.
The inside is awesome.
You got custom interior done, or you just you did like a restoration or anything like that? Oh wow.
That's up top. That's where I'm gonna have the TVs.
Okay.
I changed the floor out.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's underneath. Let me go back. I'll show you real good. See, I changed the floor. I got an inverter in there.
Okay. Oh wow, you did? Is that real wood?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm good. I did it all myself. And shoot. Let me go back to oh yeah, here you go.
Oh wow, look at that, y'all. That's dope. That's dope.
Wait, when you see it, oh man, this is awesome.
You gonna take this thing to shows or anything like that?
Eventually, probably will.
Okay.
Yeah. I had about 16.
Oh yeah?
That's the bed right there.
Oh yeah, I see what you're doing there. I see what you're doing in there. Big player. All right, I see you.
What, I have to do anything?
Nah, you already subscribed now.
Okay.
You on my channel now, so any type of video I drop, matter of fact, let me hit that notification bell for you. There you go. Okay. So anytime I drop a video, you'll be notified. I actually got one drop. I drop every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 6 p.m.
My kids up in Boston.
Uh-huh.
And that's what they drive.
Oh, okay. Okay, what you got?
Man, you asking me.
Got him! Got him!
I'm 73 years old, man.
Okay. You look good for you, so 73.
They be getting that after me because I've been doing it for so long.
Okay.
I've been working on the car since I was 13.
Okay.
Number Caddies and Lincolns.
Hey, that's old school right there. That's old school. Gotta respect that.
Because of the 7 and 350.
Yeah. No wrong with that.
The boy, I said, well, if I take it up the street and let my boy do it, or I do it, I change the engine.
You turn that low one in?
Let me add you in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I like to see it. Something like
Got me 2 new subscribers. I appreciate y'all. The man right here, he ended up getting me in. Go and shout it out, man, for my viewers.
Hey, thank you very much. His car is so sick. It's the sickest freaking Challenger
What?
I've ever seen, Charger I've ever seen. I love it. I would love to see him with like 50 cars going down the road, and we would be hooting and hollering for sure.
Let them know where they can find you at, man, if they need work
Rainbow
done.
Muffler, 5300 Phillips Highway.
Make sure y'all follow that guy, man. Make sure y'all come up here for any of y'all exhaust needs, man. Good work.
Thank you.
Got this thing all finished up. About to get you guys a quick startup. See what you sound like right now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, just got this thing done. And let me take this dang mask off. I swear COVID need to, let's get this started up. It already sounds a little bit smoother. I'm about to see how smooth this thing really sounds on the acceleration though. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This thing sounds way smoother. Like the exhaust tone definitely sounds smoother. Like, oh yeah, I love it. I love it. I definitely love it. So when you get a muffler delete done, especially on these newer Chargers, it tends to have a slight drone on the inside of the car. Slight, just slight, nothing crazy, but it definitely can get a little annoying at times. But the exhaust note sounds smooth, like real smooth. But I'm gonna give you guys some before and after clips, give you guys some cold start. I'm probably gonna have to do the cold start another day, so by the time you watch this video, these video clips are gonna be kind of edited. But I'm gonna get you guys some a cold start, some revs, and then an actual drive footage before and after as well. So stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy and hope you guys can notice the difference in the exhaust note, because I definitely noticed the sound difference. As far as performance wise, I don't feel any performance difference from that small pull that I just did. I don't feel anything different. I guess we would have to see it on the dyno or whatever, whatnot, but it doesn't feel any different to me. But as far as the tone and the sound, it definitely sounds different, and it sounds way smoother. So I'll get you guys some clips, and then we're gonna close this thing out. Can see that exhaust note sounds so much smoother. Like that little rasp that you normally hear in the Chargers, it smoothens that out. Granted, it's not completely gone, but it smoothens it out perfectly, in my opinion. Perfectly. So Carven, y'all did y'all thing with this X pipe. So make sure y'all go to the Carven's website and get you guys this X pipe, man. I'm telling you guys, it makes the exhaust sound awesome. And to be honest with you, if you really want a good sounding exhaust, obviously make sure you guys get a custom exhaust. Borla and Corsa, in my opinion, are the two best sounding exhaust systems that you guys can get for your Dodge Chargers. In my opinion, personal opinion, I would favor Corsa more over Borla, just because it's smooth and quiet when you want it to be, but it's also crazy loud when you want it to be. I had the Corsa Extreme on my last Charger, and if I were to get a fully custom exhaust done on this Charger, I would go with that same exhaust system again, because in my opinion that was the best sounding one. However, Borla also makes a great sounding exhaust as well. I think the Borla Attack sounds amazing on the Chargers. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, man. Like, I'm happy with the exhaust the way it sounds now. It's a custom exhaust on a budget. You know, I still have the factory catalytic converters on here. I will be looking into possibly doing catless mids, but I'm not quite sure yet. I'm still debating on that, because catless mids definitely make the car that much more louder. And on top of that, I don't know if I want to deal with the smell, because I ended up doing catless mids on my last Charger, and you know that the exhaust fumes definitely can get overwhelming at times, especially in stop and go traffic. But for a budget exhaust system, all I did was the X-Pipe, as you guys currently saw, the mid muffler delete, and I have the MFR ones, which is the active exhaust. I'm not gonna call it a delete because your active exhaust is still on the car, but it keeps the exhaust valves open at all times, to where regardless of what mode you're in, sport, track, or even street, your exhaust valves stay open the entire time. So that's all I have done, and it sounds amazing. So, but like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't hit that notification bell, make sure you hit that notification bell and click all so you get notified every time I drop a video. I appreciate all my supporters on this channel. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram, and hashtag salute and Srtfied drip on all your pictures and videos to show support to the channel. So that's pretty much gonna wrap it up, y'all. So until next, boy, I almost, I couldn't show it to you guys on camera, but there was a big rodent in the middle of the road, and I had to swerve out of the way for that one real quick. But that's gonna wrap it up, man. I hope y'all have a good day.